Okay. I was going to have Lauren Senior with me tonight, but I wasn't clever enough to write her in, so I had her in the office earlier and she drew the nipples on me. And if you look close, they have little hairs on them. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. Well, but seriously, my name is Arnold. I'm the 7-time Mr. Olympia, former governor of California, and I'm here to talk to you tonight about the relationships. And it's true that the women anger easily when they think they are being ignored. So it's important that you listen to them all the time. Unlike men, the women, they like to talk about everything, about the weather, about their feelings. As long as they are talking, the women are happy. So it's not important that you listen as a man. It's important that they think you are listening. For this, I recommend the glasses with the eyes painted open on them. Yeah. So once you have these on, she can talk and you can take a nap. You can look at other women. You can stare at the maid. Yeah, it's great. Yeah. Oh, I have more pairs back there after the show. Great. Fantastic. Now, remember, if you put the glasses on, because those don't fit my big head, you have to nod and say, great, yeah, fantastic, like every minute. It's also important that you compliment your woman, and not just on her super fantastic looks or her sexy body. Women want you to know that they have the inner beauty as well. So don't forget to do this. You have to say, your hair looks super fantastic, and the insides of your eyes are very clear tonight. One outside, one inside. Super fantastic, thank you. Wow, my mouth is so dry. But the women, they're a little bit like old lawnmowers. Yeah, you know where all the buttons and the pulley things are, but it takes a little more time to get them started. To get them more in the mood, it's important to do things together. And what this means for the men is doing things that you don't want to do. Be brave and spice up the usual dinner in a movie. Tell the girl you're going to treat her like a queen. Cook a dinner, have some wine, and watch a movie. Now you want to take the time and set the mood. You want to light candles. You want to light enough candles that she's afraid her hair will catch on fire. Yeah, oh, please. Thank you, I love you. Oh, that's fantastic. Now, she's going to want to watch The Notebook or something with some crappy singing and dancing. We will address this later. You want to get your woman a nice box of wine to make her feel special and to loosen up the inhibitions. Once the pizza is delivered, you want to bring it to her into bed. Start The Notebook or whatever singing and dancing crap she likes. And once she gets up to pee from all the box of wine she's been drinking, then you switch out the movie for something spicier. Like On Golden Blonde 4 or Source Drunk 17. Those are classics. You can't go wrong. Also, I was in the grocery store the other day getting the broccoli, and I look at the Cosmo and the Oprah, and it says, do you know about his 70 erogenous zones? These are lies. No man has 70 erogenous zones. We are simple. We have like 3, maybe 4, but no more than 5, and not 70. It's just confusing. Lastly, I want to let you know that the women were set to traps, so you have to be careful. Yeah, you know the most common one. Does this make me look fat? Yeah. Don't answer the question. Get out. Run for the chopper. You're about to be killed. So what if you forget and say, yeah, the dress is not good? It's important for women to hear you apologize. Yes, right? Yeah, she knows. Right? Yeah. So the word sorry can be your best friend. You have to say, yeah, I'm sorry that the dress is not good. Yeah, I'm sorry you don't look good in the dress. I'm sorry I had sex with the maid and we had a baby out of wedlock. This makes women feel better instantly. They